Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can check the logged in devices in your Line account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up your Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do that, click on Home on the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and you can see the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen or the settings icon. Go ahead and tap on it, and the next thing you want to do is go to Account. After you go to Account, you should scroll a bit down and you will see devices. So if you have logged into your Line account using other devices, they will be shown over here. So click on devices, wait for a while, and you can see all of your devices over here. It's quite easy and it will be helpful to know from where your account is being logged in, and if you want to log this account out, you can do that as well. So you can just go ahead and tap on log out, and you can see that you will be automatically logged out of your account in other devices which you signed in. So this process is quite helpful. You must learn this and it will be helpful. So go to Home, go to Account, tap on Account once again, scroll a bit down, find devices, click on it, and it will show all of your logged in devices online. I hope this video about how you can check the logged in devices in your Line account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.